Hey guys, welcome back. So from this video, we are going to start our file upload labs. Practice to try to hack file upload functionality in a web application. Okay. So let me show you here how can we set up the lab, and let's go to our VM. And the thing is here, the labs are provided by Pony1. So I hope I spell his lab name correctly. This is the link here. So go over it. Yeah, if you want to get my virtual machine, so let me show you here. This is the virtual machine that is running the web server. Okay, I'm running currently Apache, and this is the virtual machine. The guy that made this lab is, I think, Chinese. So just press here this button to start, and it will start the virtual machine. So if you want this virtual machine, this is a VMware image. So I can give it to you. And if you are working on Oracle Box, so you can download Windows 7 ISO. Do not run on your main machine. Okay, if you are running Windows 10 or anything like that, do not run over that. Okay, it might contain some malicious thing. It doesn't, but we don't know that. So I'm gonna go here. So go here, upload labs, and I think this is Chinese. Okay, you can see here, and you can see here you can download this upload labs environment for Windows. Okay, can download this and just start the hacking. Okay, start go to Windows, run the Apache web server. What's the name here? It's php study.exe. Run that file and press this button. I don't know what this means. I hope this means start. I don't know Chinese, but yeah. And the extensions you need to download here is, I hope you have downloaded Foxy Proxy, and the extensions are these two. Okay, to Google Translate and translate web pages, because all the web pages are in Chinese, and it is automatically translating this web page to English. Okay, and readable format. So let's start with level 1 first, and let's go to our, what do you say, PowerPoint presentation. Here it comes. So let's go to level 1, which is front-end JavaScript filter bypass. Okay, one more thing I need to show here. So I just forget that. We are gonna use this web shell as a primary web shell. Okay, this is saying here this is gonna get PHP info, and we are gonna also get command execution on the server. So it's saying run the get the parameter KMD and run the command given in the value of that parameter. Okay, this is the normal web shell that we are gonna use of PHP. Let's go back to our presentation. Right. So the first level is to bypass the front-end JavaScript filter. So there is a file in JavaScript where it is blocking our PHP file to be uploaded. Okay. So you can see how we are uploading a PHP file, PHP shell. Okay, you can call it PHP virus anyway as a beginner, but shell, and it's saying wrong file type. But what we are gonna do is we are gonna rename the PHP file as shell.jpg. The contents are gonna be same. Upload it, so the front-end JavaScript, which the browser is restricting us, will be bypassed. We are gonna send that request to burp and rename that file shell.jpg as shell.php, and then forward the request to the web server. I hope it's clear. So let's go to level 1 and let's try to execute that. All right, here it goes. Let me start burp suite. Let the burp switch start. Let's go to level 1. Upload one web shell to the web server. Alright. If I try to upload this shell.php, fun, it will say something in Chinese. So let's translate it here. Translate. The file is not allowed to be uploaded. Please upload a file of type JPEG, PNG, and GIF. The current file type is PHP. Alright, there is some JavaScript that is checking. So we can see here. Let us check. Let's let the burp start here. And I'm going to show that the file is not sent to the server and there is some JavaScript file which is preventing us to upload the file. Okay, let's start. Let's do burp suite. Target proxy intercept off. Just switch to burp suite. And we are going to refresh this page and you can see the traffic here. You can see the target. Okay. So I'm going to upload it here. You can see HTTP history too. Yep. I'm going to sort it, set it by low to high and upload that shell.php again. You can see here there is this message that wrong file type, but there is no request in burp suite. You can see here last request was 6th and there is no request. So you can see here if we find the code that is preventing us from uploading the file, JavaScript code, and you can see here this is the function and it's checking check file and it's saying okay it is in Chinese, so we are gonna look it in PowerPoint presentation. So what I'm gonna do here now is rename that shell.php to shell.jpg. Okay, let's go to desktop, zoom in, and I'm gonna rename the shell.php to shell.jpg. Enter. Yep, it's renamed now. Now if I say here jpeg and turn on the intercept, open and upload, you can see the request is sent to the web server. Now just change the jpeg to php and forward this request to the web server, and you can see the file is uploaded. So right click and open image in new tab. I hope, and you can see the php info file, okay, that we told the that we wrote in the web shell. You can also see we got the command execution. So I'm gonna give the cmd parameter here, cmd, and I'm gonna give direct dir. You can dir is same as ls in Linux. It will list the current files of the folder. You can see here there are some files, okay, and we get the code execution. So let's view the source code and let's go to level 2. So I'm gonna cover 2 levels in one video so that the video doesn't get too longer and it kind of get you easy here. So I have converted that source Chinese source code into English. So you can see here, you can see where allow extension is equal to it's saying JPEG, PNG, and GIF. And if the extensions are, let's see, is checking the extensions. If the extensions are allowed, allow extension, and it will alert the error message. So if the extensions are not allowed, it will display the error message, or else it will just forward our file to the web server. There is no checking on the server side, so that's a plus point here as the basic level 1. Okay, so this is the source code. So let's go to level 2. Level 2 is based on content type bypass. Content type specifies what is the content of the file that is sent to the web server. Content type is a header. I'm going to show you here. So we are going to upload a file shell.php. We're going to intercept the request to the burp and change the content type to image.png and send it to the web server. Let's go back to our Kali machine and let's go to level 2. All right. Let's rename it back here. Suppose it's PHP JPEG. All right. Let's rename it back to PHP. I'm gonna upload and turn on the intercept here, and you can see the content type it is saying here is application and it's PHP. Okay. So let me forward this request and show you the error message. You can see here the file type is incorrect. Please re-upload. So it's the server is directly specifying that the content type is incorrect. So I'm just gonna intercept the request, and you can see when we uploaded our previous file. Let's see. You can see the content type was image.jpg. What is it based on? So it just took the extension here and told that it's image and JPEG. So I'm going to copy this content type and paste it in here. Just forward the request. Alright, you can see the file is uploaded. I'm going to open the file again, and you can see the PHP info file. Okay. Also, we can get the command execution, and you can see we got the command execution on the server. That's all for this video. Yeah, I'm gonna cover 2 levels in one video. It's gonna take at least 10 videos. If one level is too lengthy, so I'm gonna cover that specifically because it might be complex or something. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you understood. Bye.